Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue if Claude Fable 5 is not showing in your Claude account or Claude code. This usually happens due to rollout limits, outdated apps, or account restrictions. First, understand that not all users get new models at the same time. Claude Fable 5 is released gradually, so your account may not have access yet if others do. Start by checking your subscription plan. Make sure you are on a supported plan such as Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, since model access depends on eligibility. Next, you can go to Claude and simply select Model Selector. If Fable 5 is missing, don't worry, we'll try a few fixes. The simple fix is to refresh the app, fully close Claude, then reopen it and check the model list again. Many times new models appear after a restart. If you're using Claude code, restart your terminal session completely, close it, open it again, and run your project from scratch to refresh available models. You should also check for updates. An outdated version of Claude or Claude code may not display newer models like Fable 5. Update the application to the latest version, then sign out and sign back in to refresh your account connection with the servers. If it still doesn't appear, try switching networks. Sometimes restricted networks like office or school Wi-Fi can block model updates or syncing. You can also try logging into Claude on a different device or browser to confirm whether the model is available on your account at all. If Fable 5 still doesn't show after all these steps, it simply means your account hasn't received access yet. In that case, you'll need to wait for the rollout to reach your region or plant tier.